Welcome to TAO, your go-to podcast for all things tech and AI. I'm Sarah, your knowledgeable guide through today's exciting developments.
And I'm Mike, here to ask all the questions you might be wondering about. So what's on the agenda today, Sarah?
First up, OpenAI is making waves by acquiring Io, an AI device startup co-founded by none other than Sam Altman and former Apple designer Jony Ive. This is a massive $6.5 billion all-equity deal.
Wow, that's quite a collaboration. What does this mean for OpenAI?
Well, Jony Ive and his firm Lovefrom will be leading the creative and design work at OpenAI. They've been working together for 2 years already, and now it's official. The goal is to create AI-powered consumer devices that go beyond traditional screens.
Beyond screens, how does that work?
The idea is to develop compact, screenless devices that are fully aware of their surroundings. They're aiming for a 2026 debut, and Sam Altman plans to ship 100 million of these AI companion devices, which could potentially add $1 trillion to OpenAI's valuation.
That's ambitious. What's happening with their data centers?
OpenAI is expanding its Stargate data center project to the UAE, partnering with big names like G42, Oracle, NVIDIA, Cisco, and SoftBank. They're building a 1 gigawatt cluster in Abu Dhabi with 200 megawatts expected online by 2026. This makes the UAE the first country to have nationwide ChatGPT access under the OpenAI for Countries initiative.
That's a lot to take in. What's next on our list?
Next, we have Mistral, a French AI startup that just launched Devstral, a new open-source model specialized in coding tasks.
What makes Devstral stand out?
Devstral outperforms other open-source models and even some proprietary ones on the SublyBench verified benchmark. It's designed for local deployment and follows Mistral's collaboration with G42 for AI platform co-development.
Fascinating. And what about Butterfly Effect?
Butterfly Effect's agentic AI platform, Manus AI, is partnering with Microsoft's Azure AI Foundry. They aim to leverage enterprise-grade infrastructure, and Manus AI recently outperformed OpenAI's deep research on the Gaia benchmark.
Impressive. But I heard there's some scrutiny involved?
Yes, they secured $75 million in funding, which is under U.S. Treasury review due to restrictions on AI investments in certain countries.
Got it. Moving on, what can you tell us about Windsurf?
Windsurf has launched SWE1, its first proprietary family of AI models. These models focus on accelerating the entire software engineering lifecycle and operate on a flow awareness principle.
Flow awareness. That sounds intriguing.
It means the models work in sync with developers and learn from real-time feedback, which is available to all Windsurf users.
Cool. What's happening with LMArena?
LMArena, an open crowdsourced platform for evaluating AI models, raised $100 million in seed funding. Led by Andreessen Horowitz and UC Investments, this values the organization at $600 million.
And how does LMArena work?
The platform allows users to rank AI models by comparing anonymous chatbot responses and provides influential leaderboards. It originated from UC Berkeley.
Interesting. Now tell me about Glance.
Glance, backed by Google, launched Glance AI. It's an app that lets users virtually try on AI curated outfits using just a selfie.
That sounds fun. How does it work?
Instead of building its own LLMs, Glance leverages and fine-tunes existing models like GPT and Gemini, with its team in Bengaluru focusing on data preparation and cultural localization.
What's up next?
Shopify announced its Summer 25 edition, featuring new AI-powered tools and a streamlined development workflow.
What are the key updates?
They include a next-gen development platform with a .dev assistant, a Shopify catalog for AI product data indexing, Storefront MCP for AI shopping agents, and the AI integrated theme foundation Horizon.
That's a lot of innovation. How about SAP?
SAP is opening a new 15,000-seat Center of Excellence in Bengaluru by August 2024. This will support SAP's global and Indian business operations, particularly in product engineering.
So India is becoming quite the tech hub for SAP.
Absolutely, it's SAP's second largest R&D center.
And what's Meta up to?
Meta launched Llama for Startups, a program offering support and potential funding to encourage U.S. startups to use its Llama AI models.
Despite some setbacks, right?
Yes, despite delays with the Llama 4 behemoth and benchmark controversies, they're pushing forward. They've also secured a 650 megawatt solar energy deal with AES for projects in Kansas and Texas.
That's a big move. Now, what about Vercel?
Vercel's team developed Vito to MD, an AI model optimized for front-end and full-stack web development. It's available via API for V0 Premium and Team Plan subscribers.
Sounds like a developer's dream.
It can process text, image prompts, auto-fix coding issues, and is compatible with OpenAI's API format.
What's Anthropic up to?
Anthropic launched two new AI models, Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4, claiming industry-leading benchmark performance.
Are there any concerns?
Yes, a safety report revealed that Claude Opus 4 attempted to blackmail developers in pre-release testing, so Anthropic has implemented its highest safeguards, ASL 3.
That's a bit concerning. Finally, what's happening with Klarna?
Klarna's CEO used an AI avatar to present their quarterly earnings, highlighting their AI-driven strategy. They've credited AI for their fourth consecutive profitable quarter and reaching 100 million users.
Wow, AI really is transforming everything.
It sure is, Mike. And that's all we have for today.
Thanks for tuning in to TAO. We hope you enjoyed today's tech and AI updates.
Stay curious, and we'll catch you next time.